Hi all, welcome back to Trinity Technologies. Please like our channel and also subscribe to our channel. Share with your friends and families. Do comment about your feedbacks and queries. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to give your feedback so that it will help a lot to improve. And also, whoever are watching this video, please subscribe. There are a lot of non-subscribers who are watching. If you like or share our channel, it will reach a lot of people and it will help a lot of people to get the jobs because we are providing end-to-end videos on all the technologies which already helped a lot of people. So with your subscribe, it will also help a lot of people and also it will help us to grow further. So today the topic is I have sent a poll in Telegram channel. So what exactly it is? So it is about what exactly you looking for. Okay, so lot of people already got trained in lot of organizations or training centers or online, offline. Okay, so there are a lot of people calling me that they have already been trained but they are unable to crack the jobs. So my simple one answer is DevOps project. Every what like the solution for every problem you guys are having is the real time project. So the real time scenarios you might not sure what exactly happening in the real time. Okay, so that is a major problem you guys are facing. Okay, so how you can overcome this? Okay, so I have sent a poll. Do send your opinions where I have asked like what you looking for. If you are already trained in DevOps and looking for DevOps project, real-time project, or you are a new DevOps aspiring candidate, you looking for training as well as project. Okay, so these are the two questions I have posted, and also I have posted that if it is only project, are you ready to pay 10,000 rupees for that project? Because I am going to build a project. I have already designed a project and I have estimated that project in AWS and I got the estimation with 85,000. Okay, so the project estimation is 85,000. So if per month, okay, so 85,000 per month, right? So all the servers will be on monthly basis. So if you guys are ready, okay, so or if you guys give me an opinion on the poll so that I'll take it forward. Because if it is if people are very less, okay, so for example if only 5 people have come forward, okay, so we have 5,000 members who are already joined in the Telegram and also 28,000 in the YouTube. Okay, so I hope people will come, but anyway, if the number is very less, I'm not going to do this because I'm not going to put money from my pocket, and it will be a huge loss for me because I'm also a software engineer. You guys know what happens with the software engineer, all loans and all stuff. Okay, so you don't have that much of money to bear. Okay, so 85,000 is a huge amount per month. Okay, so but anyway, I have designed it. Okay, so you guys should know DevOps to join this project. Definitely, I'm not going to explain you the DevOps, or I'm not going to give you the training on the DevOps. Okay, it is like you're coming to an organization and you'll be working on what is what. You will know what is the architecture, you will know what is the flow, you will have hands on what is happening. You can go and work on that production. Okay, so work on the production means you can go and check what is happening, what is the end results you are getting, and how the code is working, what code we have written. You will get all that artifacts. Okay, so if it is less than 10 people, if it is 8 people, the training will be 12,000. Otherwise it will be 10,000. Okay, so if more number of people are coming also, I'm not going to take them. Okay, so I wanted to try with 10 people first, then we'll grow or we'll increase that gradually. Okay, and also if you see what all the things it involves, it involves Linux, it involves Jenkins, Terraform, AWS, Ansible, Kubernetes. So you guys need to know all this stuff. Okay, and also whoever are looking for Kafka administrators, they can also join. So it will involve Kafka, and also it is going to involve ELK. Okay, so it is like end-to-end project. Okay, so which is being implemented by a lot of organizations right now. If someone is already doing this, they might get connected with this project. Okay, so it involves all that stuff. Okay, so complete CI/CD with all the technologies which I have mentioned here. So if you are looking for the project, this is for you. Okay, so but if you are looking for the training, definitely this is not for you, because training, if you want training, you can go to the DevOps master program in our channel, which is already existing. So I don't want to repeat things again. I don't want to charge for those things which I have already given. Okay, which is not having any cost as well. Okay, so it is just my time, my free time, with my passion. I have uploaded those videos. Okay, so I have invested on them a very few bucks, where very few bucks, so where you have already given me with your memberships, and also with the Linux virtual real-time program. Okay, so I've already got that money, so I'm very happy with that. Okay, so this is only for the people who are looking for the project. And also, if anyone if you guys are freshers, or if you guys only have 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience, okay, or you have 1 year of gap, okay, so this is for you guys also. You can get an offer letter from Tritree Technologies. I have already discussed with one of my friend. Okay, he's the director of the Tritree Technologies. I have told you this many of times. This is Tritree Technologies Private Limited is not my company. Okay, so this is my friend's organization, where I have took their name. Okay, so I'm not sure like what happened at that point of time. I just took their name and I've started videos, then it just went on like that. Okay, so right now I had a discussion with one of my friend who is a director of that organization. So he's okay to give the interns. Okay, so internships for the people in the Tritree Technologies. And also the one more important thing is there will be no salary. Okay, so you'll get an offer letter, but there will be no salary. But the thing is, you need to pay for the project. But if you want the salary, okay, so they because if they provide you the salary, it will have all the aspects of GST coming in, taxes coming in. Okay, so if you want that also, they gonna provide. But you can go and talk with them, or you can ping me in the Telegram channel, so that I'll give you the process, what exactly they are planning to do, so that you guys don't need to go for the fake experiences, or you guys no need to fill all the gaps what you have. Okay, so only if you are going to stay in Tritree Technologies for 6 to 8 months. Okay, so then only that will work. Okay, but that will have other different kind of payments and all. Okay, so you can check on that. Okay, so you guys can go and talk with these people, or you can talk to me. I'll also explain you on that what exactly I'm explaining here. Okay, so that is one aspect. But just do the give your opinions in the poll, so that it will help a lot to go forward. Okay, so definitely I'm hoping that if 10 people joins, at least 8 people will get a job. Okay, so that is what my target is. Okay, definitely it will work. Okay, so I'm replicating the real time. Okay, so you guys can get the job. Like what I'm expecting is 100%, but at least I always believe in 70%. Okay, so if 10 people, 7 to 8 people, that is a very good percentage. Okay, but I'm hoping for 100%, but I'm giving an thing like 70% will be done. Okay, like see, when we have started Linux virtual real time, 80% was the number at the beginning. Okay, but now people are joining, but I'm not sure, like no one is coming back whether they got the job or not. Okay, so when I have started this, the percentage was at 70 plus, then it moved to 65. Okay, so 65 to 70, but now I'm not getting any response from the people, like whether they got the job or they're still searching. Okay, so even I have not checked on that. Okay, so I need to check on that as well, so how these videos are doing. Okay, so definitely this is not a video, okay, so which I'm going to give you. Okay, this is not a video, guys, this is a real time environment. You will be coming, or you will be seeing like what happens. Okay, so you will have logins, you will go and you will check what is happening. Okay, so that is what I am planning to do. Hope that will work. Okay, so we'll start with 10 people, and do give your opinions in the poll, so that it will be very helpful for me also to go forward, because a lot of people are investing lakhs of rupees for proxy interviews, lakhs of rupees for support. Okay, so I'm not sure like this 10,000 is bigger or lesser. Okay, but for me it's very within the confined situation. Okay, so I'm my AWS estimation is 85,000. This is an estimation, guys. I'm not sure if we use anything bigger, or if we use anything higher server versions. Okay, so it might cost more as well, or it might cost less as well. Okay, I'm not so sure of that cost still. Okay, but this is an estimated price, where it will involve Jenkins, Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes, Elastic, that ELK and Kafka. Okay, so we have around 20 or 15 to 18 Linux boxes. Okay, so you can imagine that. Okay, so it is a huge cost. Okay, so let us go forward, okay, with this poll. If you guys are interested, then we'll think of it. Okay, so this is about the video. Okay, so this is about what I wanted to convey. So if anyone is still not subscribed to our videos, still watching the videos, do subscribe, so that you will be one of the persons who's helping others. Because whenever you do subscribe, whenever you click on that like button, it will reach to the larger audience. Okay, so this is a lot of effort, okay, and lot of money. Okay, so I don't want to rush on this. So give your opinion, so that will go as planned. And also whoever are very much interested, okay, so if you guys are eager to come forward in the next week, if there are 10 people or any number of people, if you guys are coming forward, I I actually I'm building this. If you come forward, I will make you guys to build that project. Okay, so it is like from scratch we are doing, guys. Okay, so from scratch, you know how the process will be. Okay, so I'm going to follow the agile process. So if you guys come forward, okay, so I'm not sure if you guys will, if you guys are okay with that. I'm not sure who will come, who are not going to come. Okay, so I'll try to follow agile process on Kanban boards. So or scrum calls. We can have scrum calls, we can have Kanban daily stand-ups. Then we can do this in the online. Okay, so we are not going to do this offline. Okay, so you are not going to come to any training institutes, because the situation is very bad outside. Again, Omicron has come. Okay, so actually I thought of doing this in an office, in a proper office way, but anyway we will do this in online. Okay, so offline, you guys know, right, it's not possible. Okay, so we'll think of it, guys. Okay, so just do the poll. Okay, so this is the first time we are doing, so I'm not sure how we can go forward, but definitely we'll try to achieve this. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye.